Flying over 65? Quick reality check. Many travelers are still packing outdated items that actually slow you at security, strain your joints, and even get more bags gate checked. The truth? Pros ditched these years ago and swapped in smarter gear that speeds security, lightens every step, and avoids secondary searches. Today, I'll show you what to stop packing, what to use instead, and one polite line that can prevent a gate check. Let's take off. Number 1. The anti-chafing tubes that TSA questions. Most passengers don't realize that traditional anti-chafing products trigger extra TSA scrutiny because of their gel-like consistency and unclear labeling. Security officers often pull these aside for additional screening, adding unnecessary delays to your checkpoint experience. What to pack instead? Lightweight slip shorts that solve the problem without liquid restrictions. Choose moisture-wicking fabric in a size up from your normal fit. They'll lay flat under any outfit without bunching or rolling. Pack them in your carry-on's main compartment for easy access if you need to change during travel. Senior upgrade. Look for compression-free waistbands that won't dig into sensitive areas during long flights. Pro tip. Dark colors hide any travel wrinkles and work under both light and dark clothing. Think that's the only helpful item TSA flags? Wait until you see what's next. Number 2. Passport holders that slow down security. Airlines prefer you don't know this, but those cute passport booklets with pens and card slots actually complicate the TSA process. Officers require you to remove your passport completely from any holder, wallet, or case, adding fumbling time when you're already stressed in the security line. What to pack instead? Keep your passport loose in an easily accessible outer pocket until security, then immediately transfer it to a zipped interior pocket of your personal item once you're through. For digital backup, photograph both the photo page and back barcode page, then lock these images in your phone's secure notes app. TSA tip. Always hand your passport directly to the officer, never in a holder or lanyard. Pro tip. Hotel safes are your best friend for passport storage, but keep those digital copies handy for emergencies. Number 3. Overstuffed daily wallets that invite trouble. Quick reality check. Your regular wallet packed with every card you own is a pickpocket's dream and a checkpoint nightmare. Credit cards contain more personal data than your passport, yet most travelers leave them completely exposed in bulky, easy-to-grab wallets. What to pack instead? A slim RFID blocking wallet with just 3 to 4 essential cards max. Choose one with a small loop or ring where you can attach a retractable cable clip from inside your travel bag, making it nearly impossible to drop or lose while fumbling for payment. What to say? If questioned about the cable clip, tell TSA it's attached to prevent dropping during travel. Pro tip. Leave loyalty cards at home and use your phone apps instead. Less bulk, better security. Speaking of technology that can fail you, let's talk about power banks. Number 4. Old power banks that ground your flight. Here's what no one tells you about portable chargers. Older models lack modern heat monitoring systems, making them genuine fire risks that can delay or cancel entire flights. TSA and airline crews are increasingly strict about outdated power bank models. What to pack instead? Only travel with power banks manufactured within the last 2 years that feature built-in temperature regulation. Look for models from established brands that offer recall notifications. You'll actually get alerts if safety issues arise. TSA tip. Always pack power banks in carry-on luggage only. They're prohibited in checked bags. Senior upgrade. Choose models with easy-to-read LED indicators and simple one-button operation. Pro tip. Register your power bank model with the manufacturer for automatic recall notifications. Number 5. Traditional duffel bags that punish your body. Real talk. Those long terminal walks with a heavy duffel bag across your shoulder will leave you aching before your vacation even starts. Airport design assumes you're rolling your luggage, not carrying dead weight through endless concourses. What to pack instead? A rolling duffel or wheeled backpack that serves as your carry-on, paired with a lightweight personal item bag. This combination gives you the flexibility of a duffel with the ease of rolling luggage through those marathon terminals. Senior upgrade. Prioritize bags with telescoping handles at multiple heights to match your comfort zone. Pro tip. Test roll any wheeled bag through tight spaces before purchasing. Airport aisles are narrower than store demonstrations. Number 6. Two-wheeled luggage that traps you. Let's be real. If airplane lavatory navigation matters to you, two-wheeled luggage has a catch. Airlines won't advertise. Those bags require tilting and maneuvering in impossibly tight spaces, often leaving you stuck in awkward positions when you need quick access. What to pack instead? Four-wheeled spinner luggage that rotates 360 degrees. You can pivot it instantly in cramped airplane aisles and wheel it upright beside you in lavatories without the tilting dance that blocks other passengers. TSA tip. Pack heavier items on the handle side of spinners for better balance when rolling. Pro tip. Hard-shell spinners protect your contents better than soft-sided bags during aggressive baggage handling. What to say? When boarding, tell flight attendants, "I have a four-wheel bag." If overhead space looks tight, they'll prioritize stable luggage. If you're still here, you clearly care about traveling smarter in 2025, and the biggest space wasters are coming next. A quick like helps us keep exposing the travel industry's best-kept secrets, and the makeup mistake that's costing you half your suitcase space is just ahead. Number 7. Bulky makeup cases that steal your space. Most travelers don't realize that oversized makeup organizers are designed to make you pack more products, not travel efficiently. These cases consume up to 40% of your suitcase space while encouraging you to bring items you will never use during your trip. What to pack instead? A multi-compartment toiletry kit that separates liquids from powders or divides items into smaller pouches that distribute throughout your luggage. Focus on multi-use products that serve double duty. Senior upgrade. Prioritize skincare over complex makeup routines. Your skin won't suffer dramatically during a 2-week vacation. Pro tip. Pack only products you use daily at home. Vacation isn't the time to experiment with new routines. Number 8. Excessive shoes that weigh you down. Airlines prefer you don't know this. Shoe weight counts against your luggage limits faster than any other clothing category. Passengers who pack shoes for every possible situation often face overweight fees or impossible packing decisions at check-in. What to pack instead? Wear your heaviest shoes on the plane and pack only one versatile pair. Waterproof athletic shoes if rain is likely, or regular sneakers with quality arch support insoles you can transfer between shoes. What to say? At security, tell TSA officers, "Removing shoes now to speed up the process with bulky footwear." Pro tip. Waterproof shoes aren't just for rain. They're easier to clean after dusty excursions or beach days. Number 9. Flowy outer layers that tangle everything. Here's what TSA won't tell you. Loose ponchos and flowing capes create security screening complications and airplane navigation nightmares. These garments catch on armrests, tangle with luggage handles, and force you to constantly manage fabric while juggling travel tasks. What to pack instead? Fitted layers like merino wool or cashmere sweaters that provide warmth without bulk or catching hazards. Choose pieces that compress easily and won't snag on airplane seats or overhead compartments. Senior upgrade. Look for sweaters with thumb holes that keep sleeves in place during arm movements. Pro tip. Pack flowing garments in your suitcase for destination wear, but never wear them during travel days. Number 10. Neck pillows that fail when you need them. Quick reality check. Most neck pillows provide zero actual support because they lack proper attachment systems or lose firmness during long flights. Inflatable versions actually deflate due to cabin pressure changes, leaving you more uncomfortable than without any pillow. What to pack instead? Either a structured neck pillow with Velcro straps that attach to your headrest, or a wraparound design that cradles your head for side sleeping. Both options prevent the head-forward dropping that destroys sleep quality. TSA tip: attach neck pillows to your carry-on handle to keep hands free during security. Pro tip: test any neck pillow at home in a straight-back chair before trusting it on a long flight. Number 11. Bulky converters that complicate everything. Most passengers think they need heavy voltage converters for international travel. But here's the insider truth: modern devices don't require them. Those bulky converters only matter for high-wattage American appliances like hair dryers and curling irons that can't handle foreign electrical systems. What to pack instead? Simple plug adapters for your phone chargers and electronics, plus dual-voltage hair tools if needed. Dual-voltage curling irons and travel dryers eliminate converter bulk while ensuring your styling routine stays intact. What to say? When buying hair tools, ask, is this dual voltage for international travel? Pro tip: check device labels for 100 to 240 volts. Input: these work worldwide with just plug adapters. Number 12. Traditional headphones that demand protection. Airlines prefer you don't know this, but regular headphones require hard cases for protection, eating up valuable personal item space. Plus, tangled cords create fumbling emergencies during boarding and security checks. What to pack instead? Wireless earbuds with a backup tether cord for those inevitable drops in dark airplanes. The compact charging case takes minimal space while the tether prevents lost earbuds during turbulence or sleep. Senior upgrade: choose models with larger earpieces that are easier to handle and locate if dropped. Pro tip: pack the tether cord separately from the earbuds. You won't need it often, but you'll be grateful when you do. The final mistake puts you at risk in exactly the wrong moments. Number 13. Hidden money belts that create dangerous exposure. Here's what seasoned travelers figured out. Hidden money belts force you to take your eyes off your surroundings in high-risk tourist areas. Digging under clothing for cards or cash makes you a target while you're most vulnerable, fumbling with hidden compartments instead of staying alert. What to pack instead? Divide your cards between an RFID wallet in your slash-resistant bag and one backup card in a simple neck lanyard under your shirt. Add a wallet tracker that looks like a credit card. If theft occurs, you can track your stolen bag without obvious electronics. What to say? To a worried family, explain, I'm using distributed storage, not hidden storage. Pro tip: practice accessing your cards quickly before entering crowded tourist areas. Smooth retrieval keeps you alert and moving. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these outdated items will you finally retire first? And what's your best space-saving travel hack? Tell me in the comments below. I read every single one. Speaking of saving space, watch How to Pack 2 Weeks in Carry-On Only next. You'll discover the folding technique that doubles your packing space and avoids checked bag fees completely. Like and subscribe to stay ahead of airline gotchas. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.